Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Only Way and tapping the timer icon. This launches the workflow you'll use. Next, pick a template or create a new timer. Give it a clear name, set the duration, and decide if it repeats. Make sure to grant microphone and notification access when the system asks, because timers rely on those signals to alert you. Once done, press Save and then start to verify the timer displays correctly. This gets the process moving immediately. Now configure advanced options so the timer behaves as you expect. Set alarm sounds, a pre-notice at a specific offset, and the action triggered at end, stop, repeat, or run a shortcut. Adjust volume and vibration independently and select the sound profile for different contexts. Then link the timer to a task or widget if you want one-tap access. Once configured, run a short test, 15 to 30 seconds, to confirm alarms and linked actions execute reliably. Finish by saving your final settings and pinning the timer to your home screen or widget area for instant access. If alerts are missed, first make sure Only Way is allowed to send notifications and is excluded from battery optimization. Then verify Do Not Disturb and sound settings. If problems persist, restart the app and your device. Recreate the timer as a last resort. This sequence resolves most issues, and if you follow it step by step, your timers will run reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.